for a century now, Building Trades Apprenticeship programs have trained the best and brightest in the construction industry, arming them with the knowledge and hands-on experience needed to succeed in our demanding, ever-changing profession. We believe this milestone is something to be celebrated. So, when the United States Department of Labor asked, we couldn't have been more proud to help do just that. The federal government recently spearheaded a day on the National Mall in Washington, D.C. to highlight America's apprenticeship programs. The event was aptly named Out-Educate, Out-Build. Registered apprenticeship programs make it happen. And it brought together construction industry leaders and senior Department of Labor officials, as well as several building trades apprenticeship representatives, complete with their 21st century mobile training trailers.
In the masonry craft, we've been doing mobile training or at-site training for many, many years. We have, although we don't do as much with mobile trailers and things like that as we used to, we have plenty of training sites in the various metropolitan areas and some of them in very rural areas. We also have introductory programs through the Job Corps program that's out there and through our pre-apprenticeship programs that are offered all across the country, as well as at the National Training Center in Bowie, Maryland.
The UA actually takes these trailers around the United States and actually promotes the organization itself and actually promotes the training. We have one HVAC trailer that we actually do some training out of it as far as for HVAC technicians, and we also have a welding trailer that we actually use also to do training and testing for welders.
The one thing that has been taken away from this is that we need to adapt and keep up with the changing technologies, and this renewable energy demonstration unit is exactly how we do that. We love to tout our craftsmanship and be proud of our jobs, and this is one more way where we can demonstrate when these jobs are ready to take off that we have a trained workforce in place to install these systems efficiently and economically.
To understand such a milestone, 100 years of apprenticeship programs in America, let's take a look back at where it all started. The first legislation in the U.S. to promote an organized system of apprenticeship was enacted in Wisconsin in 1911. But it wasn't until 1937 that Congress passed the National Apprenticeship Act, or the Fitzgerald Act, in honor of the Act's sponsor, Congressman William J. Fitzgerald. And the primary purposes of his act were safety and labor management cooperation. From those humble beginnings, unions and their apprenticeship programs have endured, grown, evolved, and improved to what they are today. According to the Department of Labor, apprenticeship in America is big business. In the construction industry alone, somewhere in the neighborhood of $1 billion is invested annually by unions and their contractor partners into state-of-the-art training facilities and instruction programs across the country. That's billion with a B, and that's private investment, not taxpayer money. Overall, approximately 250,000 men and women receive first-rate education and training in over 3,300 registered apprenticeship programs, turning out the best and brightest in nearly all of the top 25 occupations requiring apprenticeship. In our nation's capital, in the shadow of where it all began, it was a celebration of humble beginnings, of a proud history, and also to provide well wishes of continued prosperity.
You know, I've traveled across the country now and I've seen some incredible things, state-of-the-art training and especially joint apprenticeship programs. And I've witnessed the incredible partnerships that labor and management have created. But today I wanted to do something different. I wanted to bring it to the National Mall, a place that reminds us of the great American promise that opportunity belongs to everyone, and that this country, where we commit ourselves every single day to work hard, that we also make that commitment to our families. That's really what we're celebrating today. We celebrate an American tradition of providing opportunity to people that need it the most. Registered apprenticeships continue to provide first-rate training which affords good jobs and a decent pay so that people can support their families and stay in the middle class.
You know, America's building trade unions are proud of the world-class apprenticeship infrastructure that we built in cooperation with our employers. Now, put simply, a national commitment to enhanced training can reduce income inequality while promoting economic growth.
The highly skilled training that I have been able to acquire guarantees me, if I continue to work hard, I will be able to have a good career, a livelihood, a future, and the ability to continue to support myself and my family and the other people in my life.
At the end of the day, though, what does it all mean? Well, we believe, above all else, it exemplifies our motto, value on display every day.
We want to show the customer that we're actually in the training. We're actually providing you the best service for the best dollar. We're giving you the best quality that's out there. It's like, you know, you're trying to find the best mechanic for your Mercedes, your Jaguar. You know, you just have to go to some Harry Joe shop around the corner. You're going to look for the best Jaguar or Mercedes-Benz dealership to do that particular work. So we're showing that we're promoting training, that we're educating our members to serve you. I mean, it's very important that our customers know and that our contractors know that we're providing you with the best skill training that's out there for that particular dollar set. I mean, it's very important that we make money, that we make money for our customers and we make money for our contractors, because in the end, when they make money, the organized labor will make money.
Our customers are really our students, and so what our customers require as far as the building owners, they require somebody who's got the skills to go to the job site, who can get started right away. That was why in the 1970s BAC established pre-apprenticeship training, where we concentrate on the hands-on skills to put that individual start their apprenticeship program to learn the technical skills, but they can actually get between two journeymen and be relatively productive right from the very get-go, which is exactly what our customers need. And we followed through with that and improved that system over those years, and we'll continue to improve that for the next 100 years.
We owe a lot of thanks to the Secretary Solis. You know, think back, it's been a long time since we had a secretary that really believed in labor management relationships, and she's proven that. And it's made our work a lot easier, and it's made us be more progressive. We're ready to rebuild this country, and we'll do it with management, and that's the way it ought to be.
Thanks for your time today, and do this industry a favor. Forward this video to a friend or 10 by clicking on the toolbox icon below this player. I'm Dominic Giarratano. See you next time.